Okay, as you see, we've downloaded Fast 1.2, 1.264, encoder, Fast K4W, and Kinect for the SDK. Okay, give us our setup message that setup is complete. We'll close it. Go down here to the bottom, and we're gonna exit on out of that window. Exit out of there. Let's see if we can find our SDK, and there it is. Okay, you got your SDK browser, and then the Kinect Studio SV 2.0 SDK. Let's open up the browser, and in the browser it's going to show us all our resources and samples. One thing that's good to run will be your Kinect configuration verifier. It's showing that I need to update. The first system that I built, I overlooked that and did not run it, but that should give you information on how compatible it's going to be with the sensor board you use. I'm going to run the update configurations again, and as you see this time it did config, although my USB controller, the Kinect, is not hooked up and it's not verifying the depth, color, and fields. Make a system image, system backup, repair disk, USB flash of your system in its original state, and store that in a safe place.